What's up guys, welcome back to my channel Superwowstyle. This is Prachi and in today's video I'm going to talk about a very important topic, and that is hair loss. Now I know hair loss is a topic that concerns a lot of us. Most of my friends are complaining about hair loss. You guys have heard me talk about hair loss for so many times on my channel. For me, hair loss was primarily because of excessive heat damage. For a lot of people, hair loss can also happen because of excessive swimming in chlorine water, lifestyle, food habits, pollution. There can be so many causes, right? So I'll tell you how bad my situation was. Before moving ahead, you have to hear this, guys. My hair was so bad. It used to look lumpy, clumpy, sad, so blah. And most importantly, whenever I would comb or brush through my hair, I would have so much of hair on the comb. I'll be like, okay, I'm one step closer to bald spots. Just look at this. It was really bad. However, as I sit here today, and let me show off for a little bit, I can do this. Okay, just look at my hair. Just look at my hair. How amazing is this, right? And I'm combing through my hair so easily, and look at this. Absolutely no hair. There's nothing on my comb, right? Honestly, if you had asked me 6 weeks back if this was possible, I would be like, that's not possible for my hair at all. But honestly, my hair has completely transformed. It feels like pure magic, and I'll tell you, it's all thanks to my research. So I was like, I am ready to try anything under the sun at this point because my hair was in such a bad shape. I started browsing through the internet, looking at product reviews, DIYs, whatnot, and one product that really started standing out of the rest because of the ingredients. You guys know how much I care about ingredients. This one product that stood out of the rest was a L'Oréal Professionnel Aminexil Advanced Hair Serum. It actually contains dermatological actives and is powered by 1.5% aminexil to reinforce root anchorage. In simple terms, in very simple terms, what does this mean to you when you start using this product? It basically means that this product is literally designed to deal with hair loss. So how it works is that it reinforces the hair fibers for fuller, stronger hair. Besides, the brand is L'Oréal Professionnel. I can't count the number of times my hairdresser has used this brand, recommended this brand. So because my hair was in such a bad state, with the hair loss and everything, I was like, okay, I'm done with all those generic brands in the market. I'm not trying just anything anymore. I want to use something that is scientifically backed, something that makes sense, something that's professional level, something that's quality product. Besides, this product claims to reduce hair loss in 6 weeks. Yes guys, reduce hair loss in 6 weeks. I'll just tell you how to use it. It's a lightweight formulation that doesn't make my hair greasy. I prefer to use it right after shower while my hair is still slightly damp, but you can use it any time of the day. I'm just gonna start by sectioning my hair first. So as you can see, I'm using my fingers. You can also use a comb, whatever really works for you. Now I'm gonna go section by section, and I will hold the spray a few inches away from my head and spray for about 6 times, covering the scalp. And then I'm just gonna massage it gently before moving to the next section. Again, repeating the same process, spray for about 6 times, covering the scalp. I'm massaging it gently and then moving to the next section after this. So as you can see here, I have 4 sections. Since my hair is not very thick, if you have extremely thick hair or very long hair, you may need to make more sections. It's a good idea to apply this properly so it covers through and for the best results. I have been using it every day for the past 6 weeks and the results are truly amazing. So I use it every day after shower, on damp hair. On the days when I don't shampoo and condition my hair, I'll just damp my hair a little bit during shower and then apply it. Let me show this to you up close. I've already emptied almost half the bottle because I've been using it so frequently and I am in love with the results. In fact, let me show you this transformation so you can actually tell the difference. Like you can see, my hair is looking more voluminous now. I love how my hair is looking now, and honestly can't believe how much can change in just 6 weeks when you use the right ingredients in your hair care routine. No hair on the comb. I'm not like suffering from a regular heartache looking at the comb, right? I would highly recommend this product to anyone looking for one-stop solution for their hair loss problems, and I'll put the link down in the description box below if you want to check it out. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, turn the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to Superwowstyle for more. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.